New York City elevator accident lawyer, fight for full compensation, attorney Andrew M. Stengel. Being injured in an elevator or escalator accident is a terrifying experience. New York City operates more elevators than any other city in the world, and that scale comes with serious legal responsibilities. When property owners, maintenance contractors, or equipment manufacturers fail those responsibilities, real people suffer devastating injuries. If you need an elevator accident lawyer in New York City, understanding who is liable and how to protect your rights is critical. The law firm of Andrew M. Stengel. PC represents injured victims throughout New York and fights to hold every negligent party accountable. Who is legally responsible for your New York elevator accident? Multiple parties often share liability in New York elevator and escalator accidents. For example, property owners carry the primary duty to keep all equipment safe for building occupants. In New York, that means scheduling regular inspections by licensed contractors, repairing known defects promptly, and complying with New York City Department of Buildings requirements. Additionally, elevator maintenance contractors face direct liability when negligent servicing causes injuries. Beyond that, equipment manufacturers may face a product liability lawsuit when a design defect, manufacturing defect, or failure to warn contributed to the accident. Furthermore, pursuing all three parties simultaneously gives injured victims the strongest path to full compensation. When one party blames another, having multiple defendants in your lawsuit prevents anyone from escaping accountability. Most importantly, a comprehensive legal strategy targeting all responsible parties protects you if one defendant lacks adequate insurance coverage. How New York law holds building owners accountable. New York premises liability law imposes demanding maintenance standards on property owners. Building owners must conduct safety inspections using certified professionals, maintain detailed maintenance logs, and respond immediately to reported malfunctions. However, the legal obligations go even further than that. Under the New York City Administrative Code, building owners face strict requirements for elevator operation and ongoing safety compliance. Moreover, the New York City Department of Buildings maintains detailed public records on every elevator in the city. These records include prior violations, inspection failures, and complete service histories. In many cases, these documents prove that building owners knew about dangerous conditions long before an accident occurred. That documented knowledge transforms a straightforward negligence lawsuit into a case with powerful, hard to dispute evidence. Critical evidence disappears fast. Act immediately. Time is your most critical resource after an elevator or escalator accident in New York. Equipment gets repaired or replaced within days, sometimes before anyone documents the defect. Security footage from New York buildings is often overwritten within 48 to 72 hours. Additionally, witness memories fade quickly when no one preserves their accounts. Therefore, injured victims must act immediately to protect their rights. A New York elevator accident lawyer can send legal preservation letters, secure Department of Buildings records, and retain elevator safety experts before evidence disappears. As a result, every day of delay significantly increases the risk that key evidence will be gone forever. Common injuries from elevator and escalator accidents in New York. Elevator and escalator accidents in New York cause some of the most serious injuries imaginable. Sudden drops or unexpected stops cause traumatic brain injuries when riders slam into walls or ceilings. Doors closing on limbs cause broken bones and crush injuries that can require surgery and months of rehabilitation. Escalator accidents are particularly devastating when clothing or shoes catch in moving parts, injuries that can result in amputations and permanent scarring. Children face heightened danger from escalator accidents throughout New York City. Falls inside elevator cabs or near escalator landings frequently cause spinal cord injuries. These injuries often require extensive medical treatment, long term rehabilitation, and permanent lifestyle changes that affect every aspect of a victim's life. What compensation can you recover in a New York elevator lawsuit? Injured victims in New York can pursue compensation for all losses caused by another party's negligence. Medical expenses, including emergency care, surgery, and long term rehabilitation, are fully recoverable. Lost wages matter too, especially when serious injuries prevent victims from returning to work for weeks or months. Furthermore, you can pursue compensation for pain and suffering, which New York courts recognize as a real and significant form of loss. Sometimes, the severity of a defendant's negligence supports a claim for punitive damages as well. However, every case is different, and the value of your lawsuit depends on the specific facts, the severity of your injuries, and which parties share responsibility. Speaking with an experienced elevator accident lawyer in New York is the best way to understand what your case may be worth. The law firm of Andrew M. Stengel. PC is ready to fight for you. If you were injured in an elevator or escalator accident anywhere across New York, do not wait to get legal help. The law firm of Andrew M. Stengel. PC has extensive experience handling complex premises, liability, and product liability lawsuits throughout New York. Our attorneys know how to identify every responsible party, secure critical Department of Buildings records, and work with elevator safety experts who can reconstruct exactly what went wrong. We fight for injured victims across all of New York, not just New York City, but throughout the entire state. Contact us for a free, completely confidential consultation. Email info@stengellaw.com. For more information, please visit our website, stengellaw.com. Attorney advertising. Prior results do not guarantee a similar outcome.